Hello and welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I am reviewing the online store builder from Constant Contact. I'm inside of my Constant Contact customer dashboard and click here, websites and stores, and you will arrive on this page right here. Now under the stores tab, click here to create an online store. Now there are 5 steps to launching your online store. Let's go with step 1. Click here. Enter in your business address and they will use this for shipping and tax purposes. Now in the next step, set up the payment method, and pretty much you can accept PayPal, and if you want to select another payment provider you can add it later. In the next step here, they will calculate and charge taxes to your customers based on your location in step 1. So you can do this step now or skip the step and do it later. Now in this step, number 4, you can add a product, either a physical product or a digital product like ebooks or software for downloading. So for now, let's set up a physical product. Now enter in the basic details, the name, the product name, a little excerpt, and a description and the price. Now let's go to the next part right here, fulfillment method. So shippable or the other options like in-store pickup. And now you can do a shipping price and the weight of the product. And now you can add a product image. Now choose an image. You can click here for my images and then you can click here add images. And now drag and drop your image files or click here to browse for your files. Okay, I got a couple of images uploading and now it's complete. And I can click here to select more images. Now the last part here, advanced settings. You can add things like discount coupons, tracking stock numbers. Okay, let's save the product. And if you're selling clothing items or shoes, you can click here for variants like sizes, colors. Okay, now let's go back to the setup guide. We have the first 4 steps completed, and now the last step is to create the storefront. Let's do it. Okay, let's continue. Here you need to enter in what is your store about or what kind of designs you want. Like if you're selling music, then you want to select here, or food or art, and then make sure select here I want a store and then continue. Now give a name for your site, and here you can see the design of the store so far. It has a bunch of toys in the background. Now name your site and continue, and you can choose to upload a different cover image, so this background image right here, or you can select from one of these. Okay, just like that, and let's continue. Now you can click to upload your own logo, so it'll go right here. I will choose to skip for now. Now you can play around with some fonts for your site right here. You can see it updates real time for you, and you can choose whatever you want and then continue. Now you can choose the colors and continue. Navigational style, so you can see it right here. I'll just leave it as that for now. Continue. Enter your contact information down here again, and then click finish. Alright, that's pretty much it for the store setup, and now you can customize it further, add new pages and things like that. And here you can see that there is a quick tour so that you can learn about each one of these things, how to add a new section, how to customize your text and layout. So you might want to take a look at that. For me right now, I will skip the tour and just show you a few different things. Like for example, you can click pretty much anywhere and you can type directly into the site right here, and that's pretty much a live preview of what you can change. And then you can also again change the cover image. Like for example here, you can click on the image and you don't want it, you want to change the image, you can click on settings and then you can customize the image further, or you can click here to select the image and then change the image to something else, and again click and change whatever you want. You can highlight the text, click here to bold it, and you can even move the section, the entire row. Like right here, you can move it down and then click here to move it up, the up arrows, down arrows, and you can even delete an entire row or section. And if you don't want right here. Let's delete that, for example. And you can add in a new section by going here. You can add in address. For example, these are the different types. Let's click here and you can see an example of an address or a Google map right here, and you can customize that. And that's pretty much how easy it is to edit and customize your site. There's no coding required. And then you can see the preview from the desktop and also from a mobile device right here. Pretty cool. And then you can click here to preview. And you can also use your own domain name if you want and connect it to your Constant Contact. Or you don't need to if you don't want to. Constant Contact will give you a website address as well. Now let's click on publish just to see how the live site looks. Alright, your site is live and here is the address. Let's open it up and see how it looks. So pretty professional, very professional looking, very impressed. It's easy. And now the store itself is right here. I got one product and let's click on it to see the details. So my product name, description, the quantity, the price, the images I've added, and then the customers or the viewers can come here, add to cart, and then click here, proceed to checkout with PayPal or credit card with Stripe if you want to set that up. So I hope that wasn't too complicated. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on internet marketing.